Hello, my name is Wei Han, and I am a technical business developer at AWS Marketplace International Expansion Team. In this video, I will be walking you through new features available today on AWS Marketplace, local currency offers and disbursement. You will learn how you can accept private offers in local currencies as an AWS Marketplace buyer. Previously, AWS Marketplace sellers can only sell in US dollars. Buyers can choose to pay invoices in local currencies. However, the invoicing amounts from US dollar to local currencies is only visible to the buyer at the time of invoice receipt. For deals with future invoicing dates, and especially multi-year transactions, buyers will then face a foreign exchange variability risk. To address these points of friction, we're rolling out changes in 2024 that I will dive into next. Let's go over the scope of what's being launched in the remainder of 2024. In 2024, we will be enabling AWS Marketplace sellers to create offers in 4 additional non-US dollar currencies and receive disbursements in local bank accounts. More specifically, with this launch, sellers will be able to create private offers using Euro, British pounds, Japanese yen, and the Australian dollar. Sellers will also be able to receive disbursements in that same currency. Next, sellers can now receive disbursements in local bank accounts in eligible jurisdictions like EU, UK, Australia, or Japan to receive disbursements. And finally, buyers will be able to procure software and services from AWS Marketplace without the current foreign exchange variability risk, since the buyers can now be invoiced directly in the same currency as used in a private offer by the seller. Now, let's deep dive into some considerations for buyers to transact private offers in local currencies. You can now negotiate private offers with contract pricing directly in local currencies with your seller. The private offer needs to be using contract pricing products such as SaaS contract or professional services. If you receive a private offer in a local currency, then when you accept the private offer, you will be invoiced based on the currency in a private offer, regardless of your preferred currency setting. Finally, on the tax handling, similar to the experience today, you will continue to receive tax invoices when applicable. If you are an AWS Marketplace seller and want to learn more about how to add local bank accounts and create private offers in local currencies, please watch our other 2 videos that will guide you through both processes. Now, I will show you how you can accept private offers in local currencies inside AWS Console. Before you accept the private offer, verify which AWS account you want to use for the transaction and account's payment method as well as the payment currency to ensure that you can pay the invoices in local currencies. Log into your AWS account, navigate to Billing and Cost Management. On the left-hand side, if you scroll all the way down, under Payment Preferences, you can verify your payment method as well as the payment currency. If you would like to verify your tax setting, then scroll all the way down on the left-hand side and navigate to Tax Settings. Here, you will see all the tax registrations available under your account. Now, to accept private offers in local currencies, you can ask a seller to send you the private offer URL or navigate to AWS Marketplace directly inside the console. On the left-hand side, under the Private Offers tab, you will see all available private offers to be accepted. Click on the offer URL, review the offer details, in particular the contract currency, as well as the invoice schedule for this transaction. In this example, when I accept this private offer, I will be charged directly in British pound for the entire duration of the subscription. Once you confirm the payment schedule, then you are good to accept this private offer.